Visual behaviour focuses on the two major challenges of the mobility market: autonomous mobility and assisted mobility. We help manufacturers of autonomous robots to maximise their return on investment (ROI) by increasing uptime through early detection of deadlock situations. We also help heavy vehicles and machine manufacturers by improving their driver assistance systems to reduce the number of dangerous situations encountered by operators, while increasing their comfort of use. Aloception is a smart, cost-efficient and camera-based software vision sensor. It generates a bird's-eye view, an all-in-one dynamic top-down representation of the scene that displays a set of generic features essential to navigation. Thanks to its genericity and adaptability, this cross-functional system can meet a wide variety of applications for both autonomous and assisted mobility use cases. Here are examples of end-user tasks available with Aloception's capabilities for free space, obstacles, people detection and mapping. With the same capabilities, Aloception can serve a whole new range of tasks for end users in other areas of mobility. Thanks to a modular approach, the system works on edge to adapt to various conditions, whether it's indoors, outdoors, in the sun or the rain, on land or on water. To discover more about Aloception, please check our videos of the Aloception Bird's Eye View or the Aloception Development Kit.